For years, Republicans have tried to restrict abortion access in Iowa. They say the legislation is necessary to, quote, protect life. KCCI's Ophelia Jacobson spoke with 3 women today who shared deeply personal stories about why they are against abortion. She's live at the State House tonight. Ophelia.
Stacy, the women I spoke to today say they're overjoyed with how last night's special session played out. They were here at the State House as legislators passed this bill. Today, they're celebrating what they call a step in the right direction.
I'm a mother of 7 children on the way.
Maureen Edson still gets goosebumps every time she hears a fetal heartbeat.
Hearing that heartbeat, first child up to 7th child is, it's surreal, like every time thinking like I have this little life inside me.
Her faith and title as mom have guided her beliefs against abortion.
Our number 6 has Down syndrome. No life is less worthy because of the circumstance that they were conceived or the special needs they might have.
Maureen is celebrating.
Overjoyed, a huge sigh of relief.
After Iowa lawmakers voted on a bill that would ban abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected. And she isn't alone.
We're happy to see it. It was a long night, but pleased with the outcome.
Christy Judkins with Iowa Right to Life is also praising the bill, sharing why she believes so strongly in it.
As a woman who has had an abortion, looking at that 6-week abortion ban, if I would have heard the baby's heartbeat, that would have made a difference.
Sarah Adey says the Iowa Catholic Conference is happy with the bill. She is too. Sarah has 5 kids, 3 of which are adopted.
And my children, they're teenagers, recognize that that perhaps if their birth mother had made a different choice, they wouldn't be here.
All 3 women say they're praying that more restrictions will be passed in the future.
We would like to see that there's no abortion and no need for abortion.
Iowa Right to Life would want life at conception.
I would love abortion and to be non-existing.
The main message from these women today, their fight is far from over. Now they want to focus on education and awareness and also expand resources for women who are pregnant. Live at the State House, Ophelia Jacobson, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.